Hello everyone, Susmita here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share you how to draw outline of the face from reference photo. Before starting, I want to share there are lots of technique to draw face and I am still learning. This is the way I preferred and felt to share with you. It might not fit in your case. And also please subscribe to my channel. Now I'm going to draw a rectangle and then divide it vertically. Draw a horizontal line across eyes and nose according to reference photo. Now, divide this distance into half and this point will be the bottom point of lips. Now, distance from the nose to mouth is an eye and one eye is equivalent to width of the nose and other eye. Again, from eyes to brow measures the same. I took printout of my reference photo and kept in the left side of my drawing. Make sure your reference photo in same size and in same level, which makes easy to draw. Now I'm going to draw the outline of the face. Initially I am just drawing the features of the face and will not focus on doing detailed work. I am just making eyes, nose and lips fall in the right place. I use my pencil to measure the proportion and sometimes ruler for accurate measurement. Again, here if you divide into the middle, this is the where upper eyelid will fall. Make sure your drawing lines is light enough to erase later on. I am using 2H pencil, you can use HB pencil. Take a time for sketching because this is the main part. This drawing took me approx 2 hours and it's okay if it doesn't come out accurate in one try. Practice more and more. Once I am done with drawing basic features, I am going to correct the shapes according to reference photo and started making little details slowly. Start looking every shape as a small object and compare with your drawing and reshape it. Do not rush it and enjoy the process. I also made second part how to shade face and I have mentioned link in I button. You can check over there. I hope this drawing helped you a little bit. Make sure to mention in the comment below and subscribe to my channel because it motivates me to draw more. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.